For today's Grail, we're taking a look at this rare 2006 My Gym Partner's a Monkey promotional mini locker from Cartoon Network. This wasn't your typical store shelf collectible. It was made as a promotional item, meaning it was produced in much smaller numbers than most retail merchandise, making it a tough find today. Released during the show's original run, the locker features artwork from one of Cartoon Network's funniest mid-2000s series. Following Adam Lyon after a school paperwork mix-up lands him at Charles Darwin Middle School, where all of the students are animals. What I love about pieces like this is that they represent a part of Cartoon Network's history that most fans never got to own. Promotional items like this often disappear over time, making surviving examples even much more special. Let me know in the comments your favorite My Gym Partner's a Monkey episode. And like always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more grails.